Corporation was founded in 1909, is producing metal forms for concrete construction since that time. And one of the things that impresses me most about the history of the company is the innovative ideas and products that have been introduced along the way. And it's really amazing history. And it started out right at the beginning of the company when they made forms for concrete homes and apartments. These concrete homes were actually built for the employees of U.S. Steel and Tin at the time that they were moving their operations to the Lake Michigan area. So they were called the Edison Estates, based on the famous inventor Thomas Edison, who was enthralled with the ability of concrete to be used for various methods of construction. And one of the major things is, if you drive through Gary, Indiana today, you can actually see some of these homes and apartments still standing. Quite a testament to the durability of the concrete homes and apartments. The innovation continued when G.H. Miller entered the company shortly thereafter in the 1920s and introduced the concept of concrete paving forms. And this is a totally new product in that heretofore concrete roads were not a reality, but with the invention of my great uncle, Philip Carring, mixture paver, concrete roads became a reality, and so the concrete paving form was a necessity, and metal forms was the first to jump into that area. And my grandfather, being an innovative guy, wanted to display his products to the world and went to the 1926 road show, which is the forerunner of Conexpo. So thank you, GH, for making that move, because this year in Las Vegas, Metal Forms will be celebrating its 100th year as an exhibitor at this famous show. Paving forms remained in the spotlight for Metal Forms years after that, particularly when my father, Harold Miller, designed a heavier and sturdier form that was required for the paving equipment of his day. And that coincided with the signing of the Interstate Highway Bill by Eisenhower in the 50s, which spurred a tremendous amount of highway construction, and particularly concrete paving. Metal Forms is forefront in developing and producing forms for those highways. My father, Harold, was also the recipient of the 50-year anniversary of the Exhibitor Award at Conexpo 75. About that time, federal and state highway officials became quite concerned with highway safety, with the increase of cars and highways, and came up with the concept of a barrier to prevent head-on crashes. That resulted in medium barrier designs called the GM or New Jersey Standard. And again, Metal Forms jumped in right at the beginning of this innovation and made forms for these medium barriers, and we still include this product in our line today. Toward the end of the century, Metal Forms made their first major product diversification. Heretofore, they produced steel forms and only steel forms, but the decision was made to make concrete paving and finishing machines. And the concept was that this is a companion product to the forms. When you form concrete for a roadway, you also have to finish it. So Metal Forms went into the concrete finishing business, and it's proven to be a great decision, because now Metal Forms is the only company in the world really that makes both forms and finishers for concrete construction. And this also led to the creation of our logo, our slogan, Form to Finish, which means we form the concrete and we also finish the concrete with our finishing machines. So that brings us up to the 21st century, where at the beginning of that, we celebrated our 100th anniversary birthday, 2009. Dan Block will bring us up to date on the current product line here at Metal Forms, and also emphasize that we still have not lost that innovative spirit.
Throughout our storied history, Metal Forms has been providing concrete forming and finishing equipment on some of North America's highest profile projects. Contractors from all over the world rely on Metal Forms for quality, dependability, and on-time delivery when their projects and reputation are on the line. Forming and finishing equipment can be found on many different types of Department of Transportation, Federal Aviation, and Corps of Engineer projects. From paving highways to forming dams and spillways, from working with the military to helping shape the world's busiest airports. We are proud of the relationships we have formed over these past 117 years. We strive to listen to our customers' needs and help them overcome their challenges. Which brings us to today. We recently introduced a triple tube roller paver, which helped bridge the gap between vibratory finishing screeds and slip form paving equipment. The launch of our speed screed roller was a huge success. Our customers asked us to take it to the next level. They asked for a machine with more features, more capabilities to help them tackle larger, more difficult jobs. We listened and we responded. This year at Conexpo, we'll be introducing the addition of the Speed Screed Roller HD Plus to our line of concrete finishing equipment.
Working closely with paving contractors from all over the globe, we heard a consistent theme. They needed a machine that could stand up to the rigorous demands and challenging conditions of their projects, and it also needed to meet the strict concrete consolidation specs demanded by owners. Many projects call for different concrete vibrator spacing and vibrator output depending on owner specification. Competitive roller screeds do not have the capability and the flexibility to easily adjust to various project needs. They also lack the ability to monitor vibration output. The Speed Screed Roller HD Plus gives them that and more. This is the first of its kind roller screed offering hydraulic vibrators. We have partnered with Minnick Manufacturing, the leading manufacturer of hydraulic concrete vibrators. We have a proven vibration system with the ability to monitor vibration output and the flexibility to adjust vibrator spacing from job to job. As you can see, the operator controls are simple and easy to use. The machine also has operations display, which enables the operator to see vibrator output and vibrator depth, as well as engine monitoring. We are excited to introduce this cutting-edge technology to our equipment offering. We invite you to stop by our booth at Conexpo and see for yourself. This year, we are also celebrating our 100th year anniversary of exhibiting at Conexpo. From 1926 to 2026, Metal Forms has led the way when it comes to forming and finishing concrete.